In an age of wonder, circuits gleam so bright. A pixelated dream shining in the night. From a tiny beige box, magic would unfurl. Commodore 64, changing all our world. 64 kilobytes, a treasure to behold. Bitmaps and sprites, stories to be told. With joystick in hand, we navigate the stars, breaking all the limits, escaping all the bars. From the loading screen flicker to the game's sweet sound, another world was waiting, where joy could still be found. Years have spun like discs, technology evolved, but that classic feeling never quite dissolved. Then a new horizon, see 64 years gleam, modern power flowing, fulfilling every dream. HD, Amiga is shining, USB in tow, classic lines recrafted, putting on a show. From the past to future, a bridge we've built with care. That digital heartbeat forever in the air. Rewriting all the code with passion and with might. A legacy continuing, burning ever bright. All the circuit chips calling with its filters deep and wide. 6581 pulsing, nowhere left to hide. Heavy resonance, a synthwave dream come true. Commodore's reborn, for me and for you. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore's keep